Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another recap. Today, we're just going to jump right into it. We're going to head over to the screen share, and we're going to go over my trades from this morning. So I sat down about 6:45-ish today this morning. I woke up early. Awful. Went to the gym, came back, and was ready to trade. So I actually got quite an early trade today on AMST. Right about 6:50, I sat down and almost the first thing I did, I got logged in and I immediately took a trade. Uh, Go right back to 6:50. I took this basically this 1 minute or this 10-second candle to make a new high right at 6. Um, I A perfect entry. Obviously, I didn't get the whole move. I got it, or actually, I got out at 688. So I got 50 shares down at 6, and then I added at 650, which I don't normally do because I'm just not confident in being able to do that well. Uh, so I added at 650, sold a little bit of my shares, and then I got out at 688 for a grand total. I ended up getting $50 on AMST. Here is my P&L for today. And so I was like, okay, first trade, I'm up a good bit. So let's see if I can sneak out a little bit more. Hindsight, I probably should have just stopped there, been done at 7, but I didn't want to do that, so I ended up taking my next trade on SLXT or SLXN, sorry, SLXN. And this trade, oh god, it could have been a lot better than what I got. Um, it hit the scanners right at 7 a.m. and I was watching it the whole time. It was light volume, um, and I didn't catch it here. I don't think. I mean, or yes, I did. Yes, I did. I caught it right at 7. So this was probably the best entry, honestly, just for that first little micro pullback. Didn't take that. It rallied up, and I'm like, okay, well, I can't buy here. There's no pullback. It pulls back, and I'm like, oh, it just that was a big drop. I mean, 30, 40 seconds. Not comfortable with it. It hits right at 13. Like, this is a perfect dip trade, but it's $13 a share. So I think that was partially why I was hesitant on it. It does have news. But it was expensive. It's slightly expensive. The spreads are a little bit bigger. It has a big swinging around, big swinging about. So I wasn't confident in taking this trade. If this was $8 a share, I probably would take this trade. So it goes up, and I'm sitting there. I'm like, God, why? I ended up getting a pullback at, oh, where was it? Let me look at my slide this over here. Oh. Yeah, 703. I take my first trade at 17. So it was kind of this anticipating a breakthrough the high of 19. Didn't work. I got flushed out. I lost $17 on that trade. And then I ended up getting this little dip here, made up $6. And at that point, it was too expensive for me to trade. It was too risky. I didn't want to take the risk. I was having a good day. And then finally, the NCE. This stock popped up earlier this morning. Had a nice spike at 4 a.m. Spiked all the way up to 551. So I had just a basic resistance line up here at 550. If it breaks that, I'm interested. I took a couple trades on it, and I couldn't really get in the zone. I took them at 736. Get rid of you. 736. Okay, yeah, I think I bought. I was anticipating we'll go with the 1 minute because I was anticipating a 1 minute 1 minute oh god, I'm having a brain fart. A 1 minute high on the break through the 1 minute high. I don't know, a bull flag. Good god, can't get through my words today. Sorry, I've been up since 4 a.m. so I've had a rough day. First candle to make a new high. So that ended up not really working, and I took tried to get a couple trades on it, and just couldn't really get in the zone. So now that my brain is back on track, I'm gonna just go over and say, yeah, I'm gonna call it here at $31.01. There was a couple other stocks that popped up that just really wasn't willing to make a trade on. Wheeler, WHLR. I think if you've been trading for any amount of time, this is an infamous stock here. Like, it just has a history of popping and dropping like this. I mean, look at the the daily chart with all the reverse splits is $200,000. So if we get rid of the 200 EMA, we can actually zoom in on this thing. Like, it's a joke. It pops and drops and pops and drops all the time. So there was no sense in taking that trade. Same thing with JFBR, Jeff's Brands. I don't even know what the hell this place is. It's not updating because I don't have this set to my JFBR. JFBR. Yeah, it's some sort of consumer company. Really not too big because the crypto headlines are the headlines that have been working. And I don't think a consumer beer company probably is what this company is going to get a crypto headline. So yeah, this company, same thing, pops and drops. It just has a history. So yeah, we're going to finish up there at $31.01. Let me know how you guys did in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.